Guys, it has been a hot minute, but we're back. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a little while, to be honest. I really wanted to get back into the swing of things, so we're getting back into it and we're doing a first impressions on a foundation. Before we jump into it though, I just wanted to say hello, welcome to my channel. I think I've said that 3 times. If you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy me getting back into it, doing more YouTube videos, please give it a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I reckon we'll just get into it. Yeah, as I just said, and as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a first impressions on the Urban Decay Hydro something foundation. I got a test of it because I'm stingy and I don't want to buy the bottle if I don't like it. I can't be that YouTuber that spends all that money and then goes, I hate the products, and then they have it. Like, I wish I had that money, but I don't. So we're just going with a little sample from Mecca. But what I'll do is I'll pop the little, what it actually looks like up on the screen. What I'd like to say about it as well, it has a very interesting way to pour it out. So it's not like a pump or anything, and it's in like a tube, like a tube where you can squish it out, which is good because then you can get a lot of the product out. And the way it comes out is this like skinny little tube thing. It reminds me of like the Dior Backstage foundation. You know, it's got that long tube. So I guess that's good. You can kind of just like get on your face. But that was an interesting factor about it. I'm now going to get it up on my phone and we'll explain a little bit about it. HYDROMANIAC, that's what it's called. It's called the Urban Decay Stay Naked HYDROMANIAC Tinted Glow Hydrator. So by the name, it sounds more like a tinted moisturizer, not so much a foundation, but we'll see. It says 24-hour hydration, coverage, and glow. It's vegan and medium coverage. This is a little description that they give about the foundation. It says, ditch your moisturizer for this weightless vegan formula, which serves a buildable medium coverage that delivers the intense hydration of a dewy tinted moisturizer with the wear of a 24-hour foundation. That sounds pretty amazing, because what it's pretty much saying is it's a tinted moisturizer. However, a lot of tinted moisturizers are not very long lasting because they're just like lightweight and they're kind of, yeah, they won't stay on. But this is stating that it's a tinted moisturizer that will actually last really well on the skin, which is rare. And it has with kombucha filtrate and marula oil. The formula detoxifies and nourishes the skin with a 30% boost of intense hydration. So again, just saying how hydrating the product is. Use HYDROMANIAC to even out skin tone texture and to reduce the appearance of pores and blemishes. There you go. Now I'll say how to apply. It says no tools needed. Apply with your fingers and blend outwards from center of face to build up desired coverage. Interesting. So pretty much it's saying it's a tinted moisturizer that's really hydrating, that you can apply with your fingers like any normal tinted moisturizer. But the biggest thing is it's long lasting. So I will be taking that to the test because I'm going to the shops today. I feel like that's always a sweaty job. And maybe I'll even wear it to the gym tonight. We'll see. I got the shade 41. I felt like when I color matched myself at work, it was, well, I didn't actually color match, I just kind of looked at it, but it seems like a pretty good like tan shade. It's pretty, the shades are a bit weird. Like they're like numbers. And then the numbers mean like words like light, medium or whatever. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna put my usual primer on. This is the Vitamin Glow Primer by Smashbox. I literally love it. So nice. I'm just gonna put that on the face. And I guess we'll just apply with the fingers like they say. No, I have a love-hate relationship with applying with my fingers because I hate the feeling of it on my fingers, but it does apply. Like tinted moisturizers do apply quite well. Like when I usually use this one, NARS one, which is what I usually use. It does apply really well when I apply it with the fingers. All right, let's just do it. Got my mirror to match my top, and I guess I'll just pick up some of the product and start applying it. Oh, it's actually quite thick. Yeah, a lot thicker than any other tinted moisturizer I've tried. Wow. I don't know about you guys, when I wear tinted moisturizer, I personally like it to be quite like decent coverage because, I don't know, like I usually would be a foundation person, but like sometimes you just can't be bothered with that feeling on your face. So I like it to be quite decent coverage. That's why I like the NARS tinted moisturizer, because I find that to be pretty good coverage. But straight off the bat, this is even better than the NARS. This is like really good coverage. The color, pretty dark. It does feel very hydrating. Like look how glowy my skin is. But it does feel quite thick. Now, I like doing this personally when I put tinted moisturizer on. I apply it with my fingers when I can be bothered applying with fingers, and then I go over it with a brush just to make sure it's like fully blended. Being honest, it has gone a bit weird when I go over it with a brush. It kind of picks up some of the product. I'm just gonna go back over it. It does feel very weird. Like it's quite like, yeah, thick and sticky. I don't know if that's a good thing. Going over with a sponge now, see if that'll work. Because yeah, it doesn't really blend down my neck. Super nice. The colour's pretty good though. Well, it definitely looks hydrated and dewy. Let me have a quick look over here. Nah, I actually really do like how that looks. I got really close so you guys can see. You can see it's like given really good coverage. Like I had a few blemishes here and like it's definitely taken away the redness of them. So I actually really don't mind these. Because I feel like a lot of people love the It Cosmetics CC cream, which is equivalent to like a tinted moisturizer. I've actually never tried it, but I've heard it gives like quite good coverage, and like nothing at Mecca besides the NARS, but it's still not like really that good of coverage. I feel like no tinted moisturizers really have that good of a coverage. So if this does, I'm gonna be recommending this to people. So now I'm just gonna quickly, I might just put this in fast mode of me applying the rest of my face. When I do wear tinted moisturizer, I usually just apply a bit of concealer, a bit of cream blush, a bit of cream bronzer, set it a bit, and that's it. So let's speed this through. Oh guys, I forgot to comment on the price point as well. The price of it is $48, which is actually quite affordable for a tinted moisturizer from Mecca. Like the NARS one's like 70 something, I believe, and like Bare Minerals and other popular ones 50 something. So 48 I feel like is quite a good price point for one at Mecca. And I also forgot to comment on the shade range. There isn't like that many shades. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shades. I guess that's alright, but I'd say like, actually NARS only has like 5. Bare Minerals has quite a good shade range. But yeah, so price point pretty good, shade range average. It's another thing. And yeah, products are blending pretty good on top. Pretty good. Let's put on some blush. I do really like how the product's blending because the base is so hydrating. The products blend really like smoothly onto the base. Oh, I tell you what guys, because I'm going to the shops, I have to wear a face mask, so that'll test as well. It'll probably come straight off, but we'll see. Let me just quickly now set my face, do my brows, do my mascara, and I'll come back to you. Bye. Hi. I've done my makeup. Serious side note, but look at my lashes. Oh, the sun's so bright. I can hardly look. But look how long they look. That is from this baby. The Kevin Aquan curler. I've always used just shitty eyelash curlers. And they've done nothing. But this curler, guys, is so good. You can get from Mecca, $30. So good. Anyway, I've got my makeup on. I ended up putting a bit of bronzer on top. That went really well. Sorry, distracted. I'm just gonna put some liquid balm on. Overall, I really like it. I feel like if you had oily skin, it would probably be too much for you. So they're definitely not wrong in the sense when they say that's hydrating. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. I think it gives like really nice coverage. Again, for a tinted moisturizer, like I said, I don't think anything is sold at Mecca that gives this good of a coverage for a tinted moisturizer. Yeah, so right now it's 9:45 a.m. I'm gonna go to the shops, wear a face mask. It's supposed to be hot today, like 26 degrees. So we're definitely gonna see how it wears the 24 hours, like Urban Decay loves to state. So let's see how it goes. I'm not gonna keep it on for 24 hours because that's just too much and I want my skin to breathe, but we'll see. So I'll probably see you guys in at least like 6 hours, and we'll see how it's looking. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Bye. I'll give you one more close-up of how my skin looks because there was a little bit of breakout there. Bye. Hello guys. So it's been a little while. It's 5 o'clock now, so I think it was almost 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been 7 hours. Oh, gee, that's been ages. So, thoughts. Let me actually grab my mirror. It actually looks quite nice. I mean, under here, because as I said, I went to the shopping center and I was wearing a face mask. It's definitely come off a little bit. Like, I think where I've like touched my face in areas, it's come off, and I definitely am like a little bit shiny. But I usually am kind of like the same shininess when I wear all tinted moisturizers. Like, it's not any more shiny than it would if I was to wear other ones, which I'm kind of surprised by because it was such a dewy finish. But it actually looks, yeah, really good. I'm quite impressed. So I'm thinking just because why not? I might just like use no powder and just like go over it. Yeah, because I thought, why not? It's gonna be so bad for my skin, but YOLO. I'm gonna go to the gym with it on and see how it looks after that. See, even just, that wasn't even any powder. I just went over it with a brush and it's not shiny anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna do a workout in it. That's at, so it's 5 o'clock now, it's at 6 o'clock. So I'll come back after that and I'll give my final review. But so far, I actually really like it, which I'm kind of surprised by. I don't know, I thought I wouldn't like it, but I actually really do. So I'll see you guys in a couple more hours. All right, guys, I'm back from the gym and it's now, oh, I forgot to check the time. Let me check. Okay, so it's 7:30 now. So I think that's another 2 hours that it's been on. So it's been on for 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.5 hours. Or maybe 10 hours. A long time. More than like you probably would on a normal day of a normal time of wearing makeup. And overall, I'm really impressed. Like, I full was sweating and like it's shiny, but it's not that bad. And it's lasted so well. Just, yeah, has come off around there where the mask was on, but like I said, a foundation comes off with those masks because they're the devils. But overall, I'm so impressed. I think I may have to even purchase it and stop being stingy. Because yeah, I really like it. It feels really lightweight. It was super easy to apply. Yeah, a lot more lightweight than a foundation. Super affordable, $48 I find for a high-end makeup product is quite affordable. Yeah, so my review is that it has my approval. I actually would recommend it. I have like, I feel like I have combination skin because when I wear foundation, I do usually get a bit of oil, so it's a bit oily, but then without makeup, I feel like it's dry. Anyway, so I pretty much have kind of normal-ish combination skin, but I feel like, yeah, if you had really oily skin, I wouldn't recommend this unless you really like that extra glow. But yeah, I think it's everything it says it is. It's really long-lasting. 24 hours I feel like is a bit excessive, but it's long lasting for a tinted moisturizer. Like it's actually like decently stayed on my face. I feel like my NARS one by the end of the day is kind of just gone. This is definitely still on. It's definitely hydrating, lightweight. So I feel like they really don't lie. And yeah, I think I'm gonna stop blubbering now, but yeah, I really like it and recommend it. And yeah, for all you guys that have waited for me to post another video and ask for more videos, thank you for holding out. Hopefully this is the beginning of more videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like this video and comment what you want me to post next, and I'll definitely look into doing that. Thanks, guys. Bye.